Hey folks, and welcome back again. So we're here with the K5 today. She's been acting up and it just keeps leaving us stranded. And I wasn't exactly sure why we were getting a dead battery. And I replaced the alternator to a new one. And this just keeps jumping over backwards, this belt here. You see it's on backwards again. And it's looser than dog crap. So I can see why this is not actually working. It's not turning it right. Or at least not at the right speed. But I'm like, well, why is this doing this? Why is it, this is all bracketed in good. There's no problem there, but look what I found down here. Oh, let me move. Show you from a different angle. So this whole pulley, I don't know if you can see that. The whole pulley is wobbling around on the water pump. So I think when it was under tension, you couldn't really tell that that was going on. But now that I can see it, it's jumped this belt off too for the power steering and the alternator. And I heard it start squealing. I said, what the heck? Well, this is it. It's the water pump. So we need to take a few bolts loose to get to that. I think there goes a wrench. I think there's two right here. And then I think there's a couple more down around the bottom there. But I'm going to pull this out. I'll get you a little footage. First, we're going to start with the fan bolts down here. And remove this extension piece and the fan itself. Then we'll get this pulley off and start to mess with that water pump. But I think this is something that needs to be done on the K5 anyways. It's obviously showing its age. That's not going to work. So let's get into it and get it done.